we've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
So this is the rocket ride, round number 1. So if you fail once, you're done.
I'm the potion, got me spilling out like an ocean. But don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you.
Fresh, doing something you haven't heard before.
Your red lips are so persuasive, girl, it's like you speak in cursive. Girl, don't ask me what I wanna do, cause all I really wanna do is you.
First time ever to race on a bike and start from the gate. So I wasn't really sure about how to do it, how to start, how to get a fast start. So I failed the start. I was one of the, I was the last one who climbed up the first hill of the course. I disqualified. Wanted it so hard, but I didn't make it. A rocket ride race. I qualified from the heats of the rocket ride. I was 13th, and 48 fastest was qualified to the main heats. And I didn't get a good start, and I was quite behind. But there was a few people who did mistakes in front of me, so I get a chance to race against to go forward in the heats, and there were 6 people of us who started, and you need to be a third, and I got a little bit bad line.
Everything okay?
Everything's okay.
Everything fine?
Yeah!
Whoa! Would you like to drink your beer?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, a little bit.
No.
Oh, tell me what happened.
So I have never been on the gates before, and I was staring to the gate when it started to drop, and then it started to move down, and so as I realized it, that it started to move like slowly first, and I wasn't. I was scared to start because I didn't want to hit the gate before it's down, and so that's why I think I get a slow start, because I realized it's gonna get down, but I didn't. I was scared to go yet, so I just wait just a millisecond before, but I was already too late. So I think I was on the first uphill. I was one of the lastest, not much, maybe like half the bike or one bike, but not much, but one of the lastest. But there was so many people at the same time, so there was two riders went up, two did mistake, and I saw it, and I think I was 5th or 6th at the second uphill, and I just went with the full throttle, and we hit with some Sherco guy.
Well, what happened?
We hit together like such. I think so. I'm not sure. We need to see it.
You like that? I like that.
We need to see it from camera. I'm not sure about it. But what the result is, I mean, it was that I almost get stuck on the top of the second hill. So I almost need to kick the speed. It was so low, and we went out approximately at the same time from the second.
Oh.
But he get a better line on the third. It was a clean line for him, and for me there was a rocks which were very slippery. So he get like one bike ahead before me after the third one. So he get better line. I get like one bike before me, and so I was so hungry. I tried to catch him, and on the first one, and
let me hold the camera for you.
on the first one, and but he got a better line. He got just straight from the middle, and there was like a jump before the uphill. So what I did, I went into full speed, and like I didn't slow at all. I didn't slow. I didn't slow at all, and I went to the jump before the last one, and there was a good pad on the middle, which made
Yes,
like
I saw it. Yes.
They restacked all the rocks.
Yeah, so I
What?
I jumped.
No.
Yeah, they did a jump there.
So they dropped some and spread it and everything.
What?
So what I did, I jumped with the full speed, not braking at all,
Not breaking it all.
in the wall, in the rocks. And what happens, like all speed just went down. It was so hard that my glasses like dropped down.
What?
And yeah, I hit so hard, my glasses went down, and I think I also kicked my gear to first at that when I hit the wall, and after that I tried to switch to second, and I missed the second, so it was on the neutral, and I was done.
Did you go up a little bit on the third?
And I was done because I lost my gear, so
Wait, I want everybody to tell me how they stacked the rocks back on the course again.
They went and scooped a bunch of rocks, they put them, they spread them.
Because that's what took me out. I wheelied into the second one. I should have kept both wheels on the ground. Kicked my rear wheel out, hit the base sideways, tried to collect it, but I couldn't square off and only got halfway up.
but it was only on the top, only on the last one. And I did mistake. I went too fast, I was too hungry. I did mistake. I was out. It was the first round. Damn, I wanted so much. And it was
You wanted it, what about me?
and it was so close. It was next to each other.
This is what I love, this is what I live for, is hill climbs.
It was so close, but wasn't enough.
You looked great, especially your qualifying. Both qualifying looked fantastic.
But the second
Very
one's
clean.
easy. Second one's easy because it was much easier than the first one because of the track was better. You could go without slowing
It
down.
was flat. That was flattened out. All those rocks were moved out of the way.
Yeah,
More
it's
compacted.
more
More compacted, I guess.
Yeah.
One guy's bike broke though. So you're one guy's bike completely stopped. He pulled off to the side, started kicking it, smoke started coming out. So it was bad.
It was a nice race. First time ever on the gauge. This is airspec. So while I'm running from the car, I need to fix my button before I walk. Fix my bike now. So I need to change gear.
Tires? No tires?
Yeah, I need to change gear, suspension, kill button.
And jets, I think so. I think that's all. Okay, thank you. When I took part for the race, I didn't even know what the rocket ride is. I just wanted to ride everything you can get in there, and it was fun. I'm glad I did it.